niggas can't fuck with us. Tell them to come the fuck on. Scared of them bitch motherfuckers. Yeah. Day 2, sure look cute in them black suits, but even cuter behind the barrel of my 6-shooter. Hey, you look worried cause I ain't buried. Punks leave in a hurry cause I throw flurries making motherfuckers scurry. Come feel the flavor from my single. If brain cells tingle, I'm feeling stronger than a fucking man tingle. And how's that for black history? I say strap and love the jack, those that slang that crack misery. Cause being a nigga means you love niggas. But how could you love niggas if you tryna drug niggas? You motherfuckers need your cash bill. Cause when blacks kill blacks, we stay trapped, and that's real. And we don't need no more statistics. Wow. It's time to get more realistic for the young, the black, and the gifted. And until my people get uplifted, there's no popping shit. Just popping clips instead of marching, we gon' rip shit. Some say the government will watch me, but they can't stop me. I'm dropping evil with the people as my posse. And even if they pull their triggers, they can shoot one man, but nothing's gonna